Hey guys, we're here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin at the 2020 annual dealer meeting. And as you walk around and see all the bikes and displays, you get the ones that really jump out at you and stand out as something different. Right now we have this example of a 2020 Iron 1200 in Billiard Blue. This Sportster features the new Bobber Solo saddle seat, Screamin' Eagle 10mm fat spark plug wires, ride-free collection timer cover, and the new chiseled handlebar. The tall sissy bar really makes this bike stand apart.